Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rise Again with Meer. Today's topic is something simple, yet life-changing. You've seen countless videos, endless diets, and magical fat-burning teas. But still, that stubborn belly fat doesn't move, right? You feel bloated, tired, and heavy. You've tried skipping meals, drinking detox juices, exercising for hours. But nothing works for long. So today, I want you to forget all the complicated plans. Because the secret we'll talk about today is hidden in your kitchen, in one small, humble clove. Yes, garlic. One of the most powerful natural fat burners nature has ever created. But wait. Don't just rush to chew it raw or mix it in everything. Because there's a right way to eat garlic. And that's what can actually help you say goodbye to belly fat, naturally. So stay till the end. Because once you understand how this small clove works inside your body, you'll never look at garlic the same way again. Morning, the fat-burning start. Every morning, before you pick up your phone. Before your first sip of tea or coffee. There's one small action that can restart your entire metabolism. Take 2 cloves of garlic, crush them gently, and let them rest for a minute. Then squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. And mix the garlic in it. Now drink it, slowly, on an empty stomach. It might not taste great. But the magic begins right there. When you eat garlic this way, it triggers a detox reaction in your liver. Your digestion speeds up. Your blood sugar becomes stable. And the stored fat, especially around your belly, starts to melt down over time. It's not instant magic. But within 7 to 10 days, you'll feel lighter. You'll notice your stomach slowly deflating. And that's because garlic is not just food. It's medicine nature designed perfectly for your body's cleansing system. Garlic increases heat in your digestive system. That's what burns fat naturally. It also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that stores fat around your belly. So every morning, think of this simple act as lighting a small fire inside your body. A fire that burns fat, clears toxins, and boosts your energy all day. Midday, stay active naturally. Now, many people think fat burning only happens in the gym. But truth is, it happens in your kitchen, in your routine, in your mindset. Once you've started your day with garlic water, you'll notice your body feels slightly warmer and more energetic. That's the perfect time to take a short walk after breakfast. Just 10 to 15 minutes is enough. This light movement helps your body circulate the garlic's compounds. Especially allicin, the magic chemical that kills bad bacteria, fights bloating, and dissolves stored fats in your intestines. If you sit all day after eating, your fat metabolism slows down. So add small movements, climb stairs, stretch, drink more water. Remember, garlic starts the fire. Your daily movement keeps it burning. Night routine, burn fat while you sleep. Here's where most people go wrong. They take garlic only in the morning and forget about it. But your body continues to store and burn fat while you sleep too. So here's the complete nightly routine. After dinner, wait 30 minutes. Then crush 1 clove of garlic. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. And eat it directly. Yes, garlic and honey together. It might sound odd. But this combination is ancient wisdom, used in Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, and many home traditions worldwide. Honey soothes your stomach and helps you digest the food you've eaten all day, while garlic prevents fat from being stored overnight. Together, they balance your metabolism and help your body work even while you sleep. And the best part? You'll wake up feeling lighter, less bloated, and more refreshed. It's like giving your body a gentle overnight cleanse. Without any chemicals, without starving, without spending money on fancy detox products. Why garlic works, the science behind it. Now, let's talk a bit about why this tiny ingredient works so powerfully. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. That's released only when you crush or chop garlic. This compound is nature's own fat burner and immunity booster. It lowers cholesterol, stabilizes sugar, and reduces inflammation. Which are the top 3 reasons why belly fat refuses to go away? When your body is inflamed or your digestion is weak. Fat gets stored, not burned. Garlic reverses that cycle. It boosts the enzymes that tell your liver, hey, it's time to use fat for energy. So instead of storing calories, your body starts using them. And that's where the magic happens. It's slow, but steady, real transformation. Now, garlic alone won't work if you keep eating late at night, sleeping irregularly, or stressing too much. So add these small changes to make it truly powerful. 1. Drink warm water all day. It helps detox and digestion. 2. Eat slowly. Give your body time to signal fullness. 3. Avoid cold drinks after meals. They slow down fat burning. 4. Sleep early. Your liver cleans toxins between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. 5. Stay calm. Stress creates belly fat, peace burns it. Combine these with garlic, and your results will double. Let me tell you about a woman named Sarah. She was 38, a mother of 2, always busy, always tired. She had tried every belly fat diet out there, keto, fasting, shakes, nothing worked. One day, her grandmother told her, "Child, before you spend money on diets, try garlic. It's been burning fat before fat even became a trend." Sarah laughed at first, but she tried it anyway. Every morning, she drank garlic lemon water. Every night, she took garlic with honey. The first 3 days, she hated it. The taste, the smell, everything. But by the 10th day, her digestion changed. She felt lighter, her bloating reduced. By week 3, her jeans started fitting differently. And after 2 months, she had lost 6 kilograms, without starving or punishing workouts. That's the power of consistency. That's the power of nature, when you trust it. Now, don't just start chewing raw garlic in large amounts. Here's what you must remember. Never eat more than 3 cloves a day. It's strong. Always crush or chop it before eating, that's how allicin activates. Avoid mixing garlic with milk or yogurt, it cancels its effect. If you have acidity, try eating it with honey only. And most importantly, stay consistent. Your body needs time to adjust. The first few days, you might feel warmth or a little irritation. That's normal. It means your body is detoxing. If you follow this routine: morning garlic lemon water, daily movement, and garlic honey at night, here's what happens. White heavy checkmark belly fat starts reducing. White heavy checkmark digestion improves. White heavy checkmark you feel lighter and more active. White heavy checkmark your cravings reduce naturally. White heavy checkmark and your skin begins to glow, because garlic purifies your blood. Within 30 days, you'll feel like your body has restarted. A new energy, a new lightness. So, my friend, if you've been waiting for a simple, real, and natural way to lose belly fat, stop searching for shortcuts. Because real transformation doesn't come from extreme diets or expensive pills. It comes from the wisdom our ancestors left behind. Simple foods, natural habits, and faith in consistency. Garlic may be small, but its power is ancient. It's the reminder that nature already gave us everything we need to heal. We just forgot how to use it. So start today. Tomorrow morning, before anything else, drink that glass of garlic lemon water. At night, take your garlic with honey. And in 30 days, when you look in the mirror, you'll see a version of yourself that feels lighter, stronger, and alive again. Because this is not just about losing belly fat. It's about rising again, with health, balance, and natural strength. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with 1 garlic clove a day. Nature will do the rest. This is Rise Again with Meer. Stay consistent, stay natural, and keep rising.